we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find.
PTE Help Describe Image Test 9 Sample 86 plus scores response from PTE Help. This map represents the circling of the garbage in the Pacific Ocean. It is evident that the ocean is surrounded by Russia, Canada, USA and Mexico. Scientists have discovered that there are two patches in the Pacific Ocean that show the enormous masses of trash. These have been growing at an alarming rate, and scientists now estimate that it covers an area more than twice the size of the continental United States. One of them locates itself near the Hawaii. The direction of the water current is clockwise. Overall, this map reveals the disturbing, terrible face of human activities.
PTE Help Describe Image Test 9 Sample 86 plus scores response from PTE Help. This line chart depicts the Australian monthly mean temperature anomaly. The estimations have been presented in the form of degrees Celsius from January 2011 to July 2014. The Australian Meteorological Bureau revealed that the mean temperature in January 2011 was nearly 1 degree Celsius, but it was rapidly dropped till minus 1.5 degrees Celsius in June 2011. The average temperature showed various similar ups and downs in the next year or two. However, it rose to its peak of 2.8 degrees Celsius after July 2013. PTE Help, Describe Image, Test 9, Sample 86 plus Scores Response from PTE Help. The bar chart represents the research students participating in different programs. These are linguistics, psychology, natural sciences, engineering, programming and mathematics. It is evident that the most number of males are dominantly and equally participating in 3 courses that are mathematics, natural sciences, and psychology. On the other hand, females prefer to take part majorly in natural sciences and psychology. However, the women are least dedicated towards mathematics, and men are least devoted towards linguistics.
PTE Help, Describe Image, Test 9, Sample 86 plus Scores Response from PTE Help. The chart illustrates the projected GDP growth over the next 40 years for the world's currently wealthiest, the USA, and the world's 2 most populous nations, China and India. It projects a noteworthy and extraordinary growth of GDP of China, scaling the height of $70 trillion in the year 2054. On the other hand, Indian GDP would be almost equal to the USA in the year 2054, around $40 trillion. In conclusion, the assumptions say that China's GDP in 2054 will be twice that of either the USA or of India.
PTE Help, Describe Image, Test 9, Sample 86 plus Scores Response from PTE Help. The diagram shows the comparisons made on the basis of running speed, especially compared with the short fin Mako. The most evident point is that the flying speed of peregrine falcon is 107 meters per second, making it the fastest species. Cheetah can run at the speed of 33.6 meters per second, whereas sailfish can swim at the speed of 30.4 meters per second. A horse can run at 16.8 meters per second. The shark's swimming speed can be up to 13.8 meters per second, which is slightly more than the fastest human being on the earth, Usain Bolt.
PTE Help, Describe Image, Test 9, Sample 86 plus Scores Response from PTE Help. The table of charts represents the new color code of the wire in USA, according to the alternating current voltage power. It is ostensible that, for phase 1, the label is L1, and the color code of the wire is black. Proceeding ahead on phase 2, the label is L2, with the color code red. For phase 3, the label is L3, and the color code is blue. White colored wire is for the neutral, labeled with N. The protective earth connection is designated with PG, and the wire's color code is either green, combination of green and yellow spirals, or plain.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run.